Have you ever wondered why all forms of life ultimately come to an end? Even the Earth, and the entire universe, cannot escape this fate. What force governs the destiny of everything in the universe? This force is known as the second law of thermodynamics, specifically entropy. But what is entropy? In 1865, German physicist Rudolf Clausius first introduced the concept of entropy. He believed that the law of conservation of energy was the most important physical law, indicating that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only transformed from one form to another. However, there is one unavoidable reality: energy transformations are never 100% efficient. The part of the energy that is lost during the process is referred to as entropy. Entropy, or entropy increase, refers to the natural tendency in a closed, isolated system for heat to flow from areas of high temperature to areas of low temperature, and for order to gradually turn into disorder. This process is irreversible. Without external intervention, systems will move toward chaos and disorder over time. After entropy was introduced, the second law of thermodynamics followed, which states that every energy transformation produces entropy. The great physicist Erwin Schrödinger once proposed that living beings exist to fight against entropy. Life itself lives by feeding on negative entropy. But it's not just life, the entire universe is governed by the law of entropy increase. It reveals the ultimate evolutionary law of the universe. All processes, both living and non-living, follow this rule. Many people consider the second law of thermodynamics the most daunting law in physics because it shows that no matter how the world evolves, everything inevitably leads to the same outcome: disorder and decay. While we cannot stop entropy from increasing, we can slow its rate of progression. Following the law of entropy increase is easy, defying it can be painful. For example, being disciplined is always more difficult than being lazy, and giving up is always easier than persevering. We make ourselves healthier through exercise, and we take control of our lives through constant learning. We face countless trivial matters every day, and if we don't tackle them proactively, the future only deteriorates. Continuous learning and adapting help us become better, but in reality, all of this is merely slowing down the increase of entropy. Einstein once referred to the law of entropy increase as the first law of science, placing it above all other laws. This is because every physical law or theory is falsifiable and might one day be replaced by new theories. The law of entropy, however, remains eternal and unchangeable. From the moment the universe was born 13.8 billion years ago, the law of entropy increase destined the universe to eventual destruction. As time passes, the sun will burn out, protons will decay, black holes will evaporate, and all matter will disappear. When the universe reaches maximum entropy, it will mark the end of our universe.